Hello all, welcome to Pamita AI World 18. My name is Pamita Sekandari and you are watching my YouTube channel Pamita AI World. And I welcome you in my YouTube channel. So all the students, in my last video I was teaching you about Kendall's Tau, and I have given you the example of two doctors, one female doctor and one male doctor, and I gave you one chart also. Please go through my last video before jumping into this video. And in this video I'll teach you the next part of that particular video. And what is the next part? Let's start. So if you remember all the guys, I gave you one example here, example of Kendall stove. Example of Kendall stove. TAU tau. Example of Kendall stove. I gave you one example where one female doctor was there, female doctor, and one it comes under data science. Okay, I am teaching about data science. So one is female doctor, another is male doctor, and there are 6 patients. 1 2 3 4 5 6. One is female. I gave you one like this. If you jump to that video, some are male and some are female, like this. Okay, and female doctor ranks these patients as according to their descending health: 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and on the other hand, male doctor gave same patients rank as 3 1 4 2 6 6 5. Okay, now what we do in Kendall stove here, now we wants to know whether there is a correlation between the two assessments. Okay, these are assessments, okay, two assessments using Kendall's tau. And to calculate it, we only need the ranks on the right hand side. Okay, this is the right hand, this is the left hand, and to calculate this assessment we need only this side of male doctor's observations. Fine. So how we'll do that? Okay, we only need ranks on the right hand side, that is male doctor. Fine. Now let's see how data scientist, how with the help of machine learning, how data scientists compare these things using Kendall's stove. Look, I am teaching you the maths and statistic part of which is used to build AI model with the help of Kendall's stove. So the patient which rank third. First we will start with the first rank. Okay, corresponding to the value of 3. So this is the first rank of the patients which this patient's first patients has given as the third rank to by the male doctor. So we'll start from that, and we start with the first rank corresponding to the value of 3. Look, the second patient has 1 is smaller than the 3. Fine. If second rank is smaller than the 3, then we will put look here, I am writing this male doctor rank here so that you students don't get confused clearly. 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 5. So corresponding to the value of 3, 1 is smaller than the 3, so it gets a minus. 1 is smaller than the 3 compares to the first rank of the first patient 3. 1 is smaller, so we will write minus here. Fine. And 4 is larger than the 3, yani first rank 4 is larger. 4 is larger to whom? Larger to the first rank. So we will write? Positive. Now that way, second the rank of third patient which have the value of 2. Fine. 2 is rank is smaller than the 3 value. 2 is smaller than the 3. So it is smaller than 3. So what we will write here? Minus. Because second rank is smaller than 3, we will write minus here. And rank 6 is smaller than, rank 6 is, now you guys tell me, 6 is larger than 3 or not? 6 is larger than 3 or not? It is larger? It is larger. Then what we will write here? Can you tell me if you are understanding what I am trying to teach you here? We will write plus. Fine. And now all you students who are continuously studying here, what I'll write here? Can you tell me? 5 is smaller, 5 rank is smaller than 3. 5 rank is smaller, 5 is larger than, so यहाँ पर this is larger. 5 is larger than 3. So what we will write here? Positive. What if here 1 was there, so it would be smaller than 3, then we will write minus here. Fine. Like this. Now come to the another part. Now first rank we have compared this thing to the by the third rank. Now again there is 3, 1, 4. Is it in the range of left? Look, now we'll come to the 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 5. Now we do the same for the second rank. First rank we have already compared with the rest values. The rest values or rest ranks we have compared to the first value. Fine. Now we will compare. We will now do the same thing for the second rank also. This rank. We'll do the same thing to the second rank also. Fine. And first rank we have already compared. So we'll left 3 here. We will left 3 here. Now we will compare every rank by the fourth. So how we will compare then? First we will write that first minus positive thing here of the first value what we ranked, minus plus. Fine. 3, 1 minus, 4 larger, second smaller minus, 6 larger plus, and fifth plus. Now we'll compare by the second rank. We'll do the same thing to the second rank. So what we'll do that? 4 is larger than the first. 4 is larger than the first. Then what we will write here? Positive. Second is smaller than the first. What we will write here? Minus. 6 is larger than the first. What we will write here? Plus. 5 is larger than the first, what we will write here? Plus. You understood what I am trying to say you here? Now the same thing till the last value we will do the same thing. Fine. So now we will jump to the next thing, that is, again we will write this thing like this. 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 5. Now we will compare to by the third value, this. So what we will write these things of the second chart: minus, plus, minus, plus, 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 minus, plus, plus. Now we will write 2 is smaller than the 4. So what we will write here? If you all guys understood what I am trying to teach you here, 2 is smaller than the 4. 2 is smaller than the 4. Then what we will write here? Minus. Fine. 6 is larger than the 4. What we will write here? Plus. 5 is larger than the 4. What we will write here? Plus. Same thing what we will do again. 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 5. Now we will jump to the third value, that is 2. We will write the previous signs of that particular thing what we have calculated: minus, plus, minus, plus, 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 minus, plus, plus, minus, plus, plus. Now if we will compare 6 by the 2, 6 is larger than the 2, then we will write plus here, and 5 is larger than the 2, then we will write plus here. Again 3 will write, will do the same till the last value: 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 5. So what we will write here? Minus, plus, minus, plus, 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 minus, plus, plus, minus, plus, plus, minus, plus, 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 plus. Now we'll compare 6 value by 5. So 5 is smaller than the 6. So what we will write here? Minus. Fine. You understood what I am trying to teach you all the guys? That now it comes minus here. So I have teach you the mathematics and statistic part behind the Kendall's tau, just to all you guys understand that what happens when we write Kendall's tau, what happens in the back end of the computer in data science when we calculate that particular thing, when we write that particular thing Kendall's tau in data science. So this type of this is final, right? After 5 there is no other value after 5. Fine. So it will comes like this. So now we will apply formula here. As if you go through my last video, now I taught you that Kendall's tau formula is concordant pair minus discordant pairs upon concordant here, concordant pair plus discordant pairs. That was the formula of Kendall's tau. Understood? Now what we'll teach here? Look, how many positive signs are there? Negative signs will called concordant pairs. Fine. And positive signs positive signs will say concordant pairs, and negative signs are discordant pairs. Negative signs are discordant pairs. And positive signs are concordant pairs. Concordant pairs. Understood? So how many negative signs are there? That means discordant pairs. How many? 1, 2. Discordant. Negative are 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. There are 4 discordant pairs. So like this 4 we will write here. And how many positive concordant pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 concordant pairs are there. 11 minus 4 and 11 plus 4. So what the value of concordant pair would come? Value come minus 4. 0.47. 0.47. This value would come. I hope it is visible. So what Kendall stove value came? Kendall stove came. Value of Kendall stove came 0.47. Okay students. So in this video I taught you how we'll calculate Kendall stove mathematically. If in your exam of or interview, data scientist interview, if some companies ask these questions to you, how you will calculate that particular thing with the help of Kendall stove, mathematical expression they ask. So this is the thing you have to calculate. Fine. And this is the formula. Now in my next video I'll teach you how Kendall stove would be used by data scientists to tell that the particular features or particular variables or particular ranks what given by the doctors are correlated to each other or not, with the help of null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Fine. So thanks a lot for learning through Pamita AI World 18. This is all I have to teach you. Thanks a lot. And keep learning, happy learning. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe it. Dhanyavad.